Okay, folks, so this is how you draw a sticker in CorelDRAW for being printed on the roll-in printer. So we're going to go to File and New. And for this custom size, this would be the size of your sticker, okay? So in a laser cutter, we would do 32 by 18, right? That's the whole cutting area. But in a sticker, we only want to put exactly what the sticker is going to be. Otherwise, we're going to waste material. So let's go with a like 4" by 4" sticker for now. We can always change this number later. Okay, so um, go ahead and put that number in, and there's the size of my full sticker. Um, Now, if you needed to change it for whatever reason, we could always change it here. All right, so let's say I want a sticker of, I don't know, let's go with SpongeBob. So here I've searched for SpongeBob, and I clicked images, and I see one here. Let's see if this is a downloadable. In other words, it's not WEPB or whatever it is. So save image as. And it is a web file. So I would have to take a snipping tool of that, or we could try to find something that is not. So we can go here, save image as, and also web file. This is becoming more and more common. Let's try this one, save image as, and also web file. Now you could try to change some settings here to try to find right here, sorry, tools, and we can go to tools. Let's close out here. So look for ones that are transparent. My thing froze up right now, so let's go here, tools. I don't know why that doesn't close out. Um, so we're going to go to transparent ones. Here we go. And usually, usually under tools, there we go. Here's the tools right here. We can look for user rights and Creative Commons licenses right here and see if there's anything. And that means Creative Commons means that we should be able to use it for our own creativity and fun. So let's go here, and this should be downloadable. Let's see, save image as. Yes, there we go. So we got a PNG. Let's call it SpongeBob. Uh, SpongeBob, and click Save. And then we're going to go back to our software. We're going to go to File and Import, and we're going to go to SpongeBob. Let's go ahead, double click and click somewhere. There we go. Now it's way too big. Look at the size of it. That's an 11-inch sticker. That's the size of a full sheet of paper. We just want something small we can put on our bottle or something like that. So about 4 inches is right. Maybe even 3 inches. So it depends on the size of your sticker. So here we go. You notice that I have this extra space right now. So at this point, what you should do is look at the size of this thing and go, hey, that's 2.6 by 3.68. So I can go 2.8 by 4. I'm just rounding up. So 2.8 by 4. And this should fit in a little bit extra, leave a little bit of white on the sides. There we go. That fits a little bit better. Now, at this point, honestly, if you submit it like this can actually be printed, and in the roll-in printer, we can tell, hey, cut out the edges right here. In other words, cut the boundary, and the boundary is right here. So it'll just cut a square sticker. It's gonna look lame because the corners are gonna be very sharp, like pointy right here, and you're gonna have all this extra white area, which doesn't look super professional. Um, I think usually if you just go here and you go to B-spline tool right here, I think usually you can create a very cool uh, like outline for a sticker. Let's go here. By the way, I can move this while I'm working because I push the button, the scroll wheel on the mouse, I push it in and then move. So I'm gonna go here, and we want to go all the way around this hand. Otherwise, if we go up in here, it might break off. You could do that, but I don't think we need to. That's just, your preference. We can leave this perfectly flat, or we can go at an angle, whatever you want. So you can do this, you can do that, whatever you think would look nicer. I personally think that maybe it'll look nicer like that, but I'm not sure. It's all up to you, to be quite honest with you. I'm going to push the wheel in again, and I'm going to click again and see if I can click that node right there. Okay, so now I have my sticker boundary. Now, here is the secret for cutting a line on CorelDRAW. So we select the line, and right here, we do want to go hairline, but we do not want to go red. Okay, so do not go red right here. You do want to leave it in CMYK. That's fine. Usually we would do RGB and go to red, but we're going to leave it here. And click this button right. No, click this button right here. The one with like the 9 dots or whatever that is. Click that. Then click this arrow right here. Wait for it to lag up here. Go to Roland, that's the brand of the printer. Click the little arrow next to it, then click VersaWorks. That magenta color right there, like a pinkish magenta color, that is the color, that's the exact color. And there is no other way to do it. You have to go to Roland VersaWorks and click that. Then it will note to cut that out, their sticker boundary like that. Okay? So it will cut that out and you'll have a sticker just like that. All right. So now let's do a second sticker, one last one. Let's do a second sticker. Don't forget, by the way, don't forget to save these. So when you save them, put File, Save As, and then call it SpongeBob. SpongeBob sticker, and put Save. All right. Then let's do a second sticker, and let's say for now we'll do 4x4 again. Put OK. And let's go here, and let's say I'm looking for a Taylor Swift sticker. So something like this, right? So you can go here, and let's see if I can find a sticker. There we go. Let's find something like this that's downloadable. Save image as, and that's a JPEG. That should work. Remember, you can always go here and look for transparent. If it's here, click Tools. You can go to User Rights and go to Creative Commons. That should get you to a place where you're allowed to download it. So I'm just going to do Save Image As and put Taylor and put Save. And then I'm going to go here to CorelDRAW. We're going to go to File, Import. So if you missed what I just did, I did a little fast. File, then Import right here. And then click Taylor, double click here. And I do notice that that is not a clear background. It's supposed to be, but it's not. So how do we get rid of that? There's a few ways to do it. Sometimes you can put this in a software. For example, let me show you a cool way to do this actually. So you can go to Make Image Transparent. See this? Make Image Transparent. And then we can say Free Transparent Maker. We can try that one. We can try that. Let's see. Upload your photo. I think this one only lets you do so many, but there's other websites. Click here, browse, Taylor. Let's see if this works. And hopefully it removed that. Let's see. Down. Usually this checker box means that it doesn't see it. Like it means you won't see it. So let's see what happens. Go to Save, Downloads, and let's go back here. And let's go to File, Import. Here's the PNG. That PNGs are usually clear in the background. JPEGs are not. So let's go here. There we go. Better, see? Look at the difference. So we're going to go delete here. Click here. Let's make this smaller. We can make this about the same size. And I notice I have a little extra space here because it's only 3.4. So I'm going to click the background and make that 3.5. I don't need that extra space. Her head's hanging up out of the top. So let's make her go down here a little bit. Now, we could trace this out again. So we can trace this out again like we did last time. But let's try something new. Let's click here and let's go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace, Line Art. And let's go to Details. Like that. You see how the details, it changes the details down to like less details. Okay, so you can do whatever. If it takes too much on the outside, that's what we don't want, but that looks good. Now let's go to colors and let's just merge them all together. Click the first one, then hold shift and click the last one. Then click merge them all together. Oops, why did it do that? Control Z. Oops, undo it right here. For some reason, let's click this one and shift and merge. Let's undo that. Usually, oh, I know what I can do. Color mode right here. Let's go to black and white. And let's go to settings. And let's go to more detail. Let's go back then, not black and white. Let's try grayscale, see if that works. There we go. And we can go here to settings, see if we can get less detail. That's too little detail. We'll start with that, and let's see if I can merge these colors again. Shift. Usually this works, but it disappears when I'm doing it. So we'll leave it like this and put OK. And you see it covers up perfectly. And then we can go here to the bucket fill. So click this and say I don't want any fill. Click the line right here and say hairline. By the way, if you don't have this, so you can't see it, it looks like that, go to Object and click Properties right here. That will bring that up, okay? So now that we have this, let's go here to the Delete tool. This little, click the corner right here, that little black corner, and go to Virtual Segment Delete. And let's see if we can just clean this up a little bit. By the way, if you want a hole right here, then we want to leave this, okay? If you do not want a hole there, you want that to be white sticker material, then obviously you want to delete that out, so it's just all like white sticker. I'm debating whether I want this one out. I think it's cool if they're there. I think that's really cool if we leave it there. Yeah, so I'll see about that. Now I'm gonna delete this one. There we go. Let me delete the shoulder point. There's some random stuff here. Let's get rid of these. Look for every detail, guys. You want this to look nice, so let's click here. Something doesn't match up on the bottom. So I'm moving with the arrows on the keyboard, by the way. There we go. You see this right here? I don't like that. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm just going to connect that over to that. So I'm going to go here to the line tool. Let's go, I think it's this one right here. Go to, just a 3-point curve should do it. So if you're wondering which one I chose the 3-point curve right here, 3-point curve. And what you do is you kind of click one spot, click another spot, and kind of, once you click the two spots, let me see if I think I have to drag, click, and then you don't let go of the click button, drag until you click an edge, let go, and then it's bendy. Then you choose like that. And then I want this to be interconnected, so I'm going to click that. Here we go. And let's go to the delete tool. Let's delete this up. There we go. And of course, these need to be hairline. So let me just highlight the entire thing. Oops. Let me Control Z that. Oh, I just pulled it out. Where did it go? There we go. I dropped it out. There we go. So let me highlight this entire thing. Click this and highlight all of it. Why am I not able to click it? I'm going to go ahead and click save just in case it's that. Tailor sticker. I did something and it kind of messed something up here. Um, so it's kind of broken here for a second. Let me pause the video and I'll fix this real quick. So what I did is I just closed the whole program and reopened it, and that seemed to work. So let's go ahead and clean this up real quick. It looks like it didn't get everything from last time. It didn't get all my save. There we go. And let's click this arrow here, and let's highlight everything. And let's make sure it's all hairline. And we want that magenta color, so let's go here to the color, click those dots, click this arrow, go to Roland, click that arrow, click VersaWorks, Roland VersaWorks, click that, click magenta, there we go. That's the stuff that makes it work. So let's go here. Um, Here I'm going to use the arrows on the keyboard to fine tune exactly where I want it. And of course, if this bothered you, the white, if you want the white to be all the way around perfectly, you might want to just highlight it yourself. This is just the fastest way where we auto trace, get rid of a lot of details, and just say, give me some lines for the outside so I can just redrop this in. So that works really well. And this will get you a sticker with Taylor Swift on it. And hopefully you won't have as many problems as I do. But go ahead and do your own sticker, but make sure it's traced really nice. We're not doing a big square, of course, and choose one of your own. Even if you want to do Taylor Swift, just choose a different sticker. Okay, that's it.